Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Ford Escape S. This four-door SUV has a three-cylinder, 1.5-liter i3 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.